The US national debt has been a growing concern, currently standing at over $28 trillion. This debt continues to increase due to government spending and the need to finance various programs. The Federal Reserve's strategy of printing more money to manage the debt has led to inflation and devaluation of the US dollar. This has prompted some experts to look for alternative solutions, such as Bitcoin. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, is seen as a potential hedge against inflation. Its decentralized nature and limited supply make it an attractive store of value compared to traditional fiat currencies. The idea of using Bitcoin to address the national debt involves leveraging its value proposition as a decentralized asset. By adopting Bitcoin, the US could potentially reduce its reliance on traditional financial systems and mitigate the effects of inflation. The regulatory landscape is crucial for Bitcoin's adoption. Favorable policies could enhance its role in the financial system, providing a viable alternative to the current debt-driven economic model. Despite regulatory challenges, Bitcoin has established itself as a significant player in the cryptocurrency market. Its potential to transform the financial landscape and address the national debt is increasingly being recognized. The potential of Bitcoin to revolutionize the financial system is substantial. By integrating Bitcoin into the national financial strategy, the US could explore new ways to manage its debt and economic stability. As the cryptocurrency market evolves, Bitcoin's distinct role will likely become more pronounced. Policymakers will need to consider its unique advantages and challenges to navigate this rapidly changing landscape. In conclusion, Bitcoin's impact on the financial industry is undeniable. Understanding its potential role in addressing the national debt is crucial for anyone looking to invest in or utilize digital currencies in the future. With the potential for a Bitcoin reserve, the regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies could shift dramatically. Favorable policies may enhance Bitcoin's role in the financial system, impacting its market dynamics and adoption rates. Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategy, has been a vocal advocate for Bitcoin. His early career was marked by innovative ventures, including founding MicroStrategy in 1989, which focused on business intelligence and analytics software. Saylor's initial ventures included developing software for data mining and business analytics, which laid the foundation for his later interest in Bitcoin as a transformative digital asset. His foresight in recognizing the potential of Bitcoin has positioned him as a leading figure in the cryptocurrency space, advocating for its adoption as a strategic asset for corporations and investors alike. The United States national debt has been a growing concern for decades. As of 2023, the debt has surpassed $31 trillion, increasing at an alarming rate each year. Government bonds have traditionally been used to manage this debt, allowing the government to borrow money from investors with the promise of future repayment. However, this has led to a cycle of borrowing and increasing debt. The introduction of fiat currencies allowed the government to print money as needed, further impacting inflation and national debt. This practice has led to concerns about the long-term stability of the economy. Bitcoin offers a potential solution to these issues. Its decentralized nature and limited supply make it resistant to inflation and government manipulation, providing a stable alternative to traditional currencies. By integrating Bitcoin into national financial systems, governments could potentially reduce their reliance on debt and fiat currency printing. This could lead to more sustainable economic policies and greater financial stability. Historical financial instruments have shown that innovation in finance can lead to significant economic shifts. Bitcoin's potential to impact national debts and financial stability is a continuation of this legacy. The introduction of Bitcoin ETFs and increasing interest from institutional investors further legitimizes Bitcoin as a valuable asset class. This growing acceptance has solidified Bitcoin's position as the leading cryptocurrency. As with historical financial instruments, the ongoing development and regulation of Bitcoin will be key to its future success and integration into the global financial system. Its impact on the world of finance is just beginning, and its potential is limitless. As the world continues to embrace digital currencies, the legacy of Bitcoin policies will undoubtedly influence the future of finance. The efforts to integrate Bitcoin into national financial strategies have set the stage for its continued growth and acceptance. The ongoing development and regulation of Bitcoin will be key to its future success and integration into the global financial system. Its impact on the world of finance is just beginning, and its potential is limitless. The US national debt has surpassed $30 trillion, growing at an alarming rate. This debt increases by billions of dollars each day, driven by continuous government spending. The Federal Reserve's practice of printing money to manage this debt devalues the dollar, leading to inflation and economic instability. Bitcoin's decentralized nature ensures that no single entity controls the network, making it resistant to manipulation and fraud. The proof-of-work mechanism secures transactions through computational power, ensuring the integrity and security of the financial system. Bitcoin's limited supply of 21 million coins creates scarcity, which can help stabilize its value over time. Blockchain technology ensures transparency and traceability of transactions, reducing the risk of corruption and financial mismanagement. By integrating Bitcoin into national reserves, the US government can modernize its financial infrastructure, potentially reducing national debt through innovative financial strategies. The security and efficiency of Bitcoin's technology make it a viable option for economic stability. GAP3S. As we look ahead, the potential future of Bitcoin presents a captivating narrative, one that could significantly impact the US national debt and global economies. Experts around the world are weighing in on how Bitcoin's evolution could reshape financial landscapes and influence national debt strategies. GAP2S. The US national debt has surpassed $30 trillion, growing at an alarming rate due to continuous money printing and fiscal policies. If adopted widely, Bitcoin could provide banking services to the unbanked population in developing countries, fostering economic growth. GAP2S. Meanwhile, financial analyst Mark Thompson emphasizes the integration of Bitcoin into national reserves as proposed by Trump's administration could set a new standard. This move might encourage other nations to consider digital assets as part of their financial strategy, potentially impacting national debts and leading to a more interconnected global economy. GAP2S. However, not all experts are optimistic. Cybersecurity specialist Laura Chen warns, while Bitcoin's security features are robust, the volatility and potential regulatory challenges cannot be ignored. Governments need to establish clear guidelines to ensure stability and protect investors. GAP2S. Despite differing opinions, one thing is clear: Bitcoin's journey is far from over. Its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and redefine economic paradigms continues to be a subject of intense debate and speculation. GAP2S. As we continue to explore the possibilities, staying informed and prepared to navigate the complexities of this rapidly changing landscape is crucial. The future of Bitcoin holds promise, and its impact on global economies and national debts could be profound. GAP3S. Now let's delve deeper into Trump's vision for Bitcoin as digital gold and his plans for a Bitcoin reserve, which could revolutionize the financial world and potentially address the US national debt crisis. The US national debt has surpassed $30 trillion, growing at an alarming rate. The government's continuous printing of money to manage this debt has led to concerns about inflation and the devaluation of the dollar. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply of 21 million coins, presents a stark contrast to the limitless printing of fiat currency. This scarcity makes Bitcoin an attractive hedge against inflation and a potential tool for managing national debt. In a bold move, some have proposed the creation of a Bitcoin reserve, positioning the digital currency as a strategic asset for the nation. This unprecedented step could solidify Bitcoin's status as digital gold. Establishing a Bitcoin reserve could mark a significant shift in the financial landscape, potentially setting a precedent for other nations to follow. This vision for Bitcoin as digital gold could redefine the role of cryptocurrencies in the global economy. As digital currencies continue to evolve, their future prospects will be shaped by technological advancements, regulatory developments, and market dynamics. Investors must stay informed and be prepared to navigate the complexities of this rapidly changing landscape. The journey of Bitcoin is far from over. As it continues to disrupt traditional financial systems, its potential to reshape the future of finance remains a topic of intense debate and speculation. With the discovery of Bitcoin as digital gold and the potential for a Bitcoin reserve, the landscape of global finance could be on the brink of a revolutionary transformation. By leveraging Bitcoin's potential, the US could find a novel solution to its mounting debt, turning a digital asset into a tool for economic revival.